Hi, this is Danielle, your Texan treasure hunter. I'm up here in Montgomery to show you one of two fabulous Blue Moon estate sales we have this weekend in Bentwater. So both of our sales are in Bentwater this weekend. They are only 3 minutes away from each other. So one appointment gets you through the gate, the security, and then you can come to both houses. So both sales are Friday, Saturday, March 22nd and 23rd from 9 to 2 both days. This is a large 2-story house, and let's go see what kind of treasures are in here because there are several in here. So we've just stepped into the entryway foyer. You can see the stairs are going up to the left, and then I head over into the main rooms to the right. But there are a few great little items here in this entryway, especially this little antique table and chair. This is a really cool chair with the spindles. I've seen these reupholstered in more modern fabric, and they look fabulous. So I'm going to turn around and I'm going to head into, this is the formal living room. So we have a set of white sofas, love seat and a sofa. Lots of pretty artwork in this house too. You can see over there. Lots of florals, decorative vases. Look at this glass-topped coffee table, is really pretty. Over here in the corner, we have a large grandfather clock. It does work. It's just the chimes get to be a little bit much when we're here working, so we turned it off, as did the homeowner, she said. This is a nice little set, this table and these two high back chairs. This will be a great little game table, card table. Over here we have a set of china. It's a neutral pattern, but it does have a little detail on the edge, which is nice with the silver rim. Lots of place settings, mugs, and some serving pieces. And then we have several of the same pattern, but several styles of glasses of these etched. Look, see, these have a rose on them. These are really beautiful. And then look at the stem. The shape on the stem is really pretty too. There is a sherbet cup style, same with the rose. And this pattern. And then we even have these smaller cordial glasses down here, again, with the same rose pattern. Okay, I turn around and we have this large display cabinet. This has some mirrors in the back. And then inside there are some collectibles. There are some little Hummel scenery houses. And with this house has a lot of Hummels, so just wait. I'm going to show you the large collection here in a minute. We're going to move into the dining room where we have this dining room table. It has 2 leaves that go with it, so it can get larger. And it comes with 6 chairs. The armchairs are on the ends. You can see how the end looks with the pedestal. And then we have a matching hutch, which also has some nice little decorative items in it. And then a matching buffet. And this is the kind of buffet where the top will swing open and expand and get bigger. Nice big gold mirror. Beautiful mirror. And then over here, we have some silver and crystal servingware and some milk glass. Check out that punch bowl. Wow. That is a cool punch bowl. And then this little built-in buffet, we have some serving pieces and some holiday pieces. There's some Fitz and Floyd in here. And this is just the start of the treasures that I was talking about. Okay, I'm going to walk over here to the living room. So again, we have another set of sofa and love seat. These are actually flex steel. So these are nice and sturdy, good quality. And then 2 matching side chairs. And over here is where we have a large Hummel collection. This is probably either the largest or the second largest that we have had. You may have remember another house where we had a lot of Hummels. And you know what? We sold every single one in that other house. So there are still people that collect these, especially these large, big, unique pieces. Some of these are from the Hummel Collectors Club. So only certain, people could get them. You had to be part of the club to get those. There were some anniversary pieces. I see the 50th anniversary one. So there's lots of unique ones in here. There's more detailed pictures of them online. The carolers, that's a really nice piece. And then these 2 are gorgeous. Up here, there's even more. And these are some of the larger ones also up here. I love the little girls. The birthday cake. So lots and lots of Hummels. We have most of the boxes for these, but of course we pull them out of the box so you could see them and see the condition of them, and then of course see, which figurine it was. But we do have most of the boxes. So if you're interested in the boxes, be sure and ask us, and we will direct you where to find those. Over here, we do have a bit of jewelry. And then some knickknacks on the fireplace. This is where our registers are going to be, right in front of the bay windows. And then let's move into the kitchen. So as we move into the kitchen, we have this nice little breakfast table. This has 6 chairs also. Cute little rug underneath. Some Longaberger baskets over here. I think one of them has the stoneware piece, like a bread warmer. And then behind me, we have a huge collection of the Lennox Christmas dishes. And again, we've had these before, and every time they sell. They are beautiful. And look at all these serving pieces we have that go with them. Lots of platters and divided dishes. There's the mugs. Let me open this up. So we even have more up here. And then these are all of the plates. We have the dinner plates, and there's 16 dinner plates, bread plates, and salad plates. We even have these little decorative plates that kind of complement. Some more Fitz and Floyd. Some more Fitz and Floyd. Beautiful pieces. And you know what? Now is the best time to get your Christmas stuff, because now is when people really aren't looking for it. And this is when you can get the deals. Look at these gorgeous glasses with the gold rim. Those are exquisite. Really pretty. And if that wasn't enough, I'm going to go over here to the kitchen, where you see just the edge of the Fiesta Wear collection. Look at the purple. Purple's pretty rare. You don't see that a lot. And then these colored glasses are just beautiful. So you have the stemmed iced tea, you have the juice glasses, then you have the short little beverage glasses, and their array of colors. Some Easter serving pieces. This is a beautiful piece. Tracy Porter. More antique etched glass, but this is pink. Can you see the, put it over here, see the pink color and see the etching? It's really pretty. Here's the other side of those glasses. And then look at the Fiesta ware, and it is pastel. I love the pastel. You do not see the pastel very often. And look at some of these cool pieces. This one's not pastel, but look at those cool, that is a cool piece though. They all come apart, so you can arrange them differently. And then check out these. Those are neat. These little teapots are just precious, and the mugs. And then, if that wasn't enough, we have Christmas color Fiesta ware. So the reds, and then the two colors of the green. You can see it. Fiesta on the bottom. So if that wasn't a treasure right there, let me show you some more over here. So we have some utensils, some flatware, but then do you see what I see? Vintage Corningware. This is the Daisy Flower Bouquet. Really beautiful piece. That one's pretty rare. We don't see that one a lot. I know I have some Corningware and vintage Pyrex collectors out there. Behind me, we have some cookware. This is Fiesta cookware. It's got the turquoise color enamel on the outside and the nonstick on the inside. These are really cute. Whole set of that. And then we have some stainless cookware too. Here in the pantry is where we have some bakeware items and a few little small appliances. We're gonna head over here to the laundry room. We have the Maytag washer and dryer. This is the top load. I know a lot of people are moving away from the front loads to the top loads. This is a great time to get a nice Maytag set. Super clean. It smells clean too. It smells like the detergent. Really nice. Some cleaning supplies. Let's head to the garage. Okay, so we're stepping out into the garage. We have a few medical equipment items here. A little card table, and look at the little covers that go on the folding chairs. Aren't those precious? Behind me we have a few decorations, some florals, some springtime stuff. It's great for spring decorations right now. We have 4 of these cabinets. The cabinets are for sale. Some folding chairs. And these are the other 2 cabinets over here. So look at that big brass pot with the feet. That's cool. More florals. And then we'll step on this side. More garagey type things, but here are 2 big lighted deer that go outside in the front yard. A few tools, big ladder. Lots of yard tools and wheelbarrow and some yard chemicals and stuff. Okay, we're gonna head down the hallway to the master bedroom where we have this beautiful king size 4-poster bed. It's got a really great mattress too. We have a dresser and a huge big armoire with the mirrors on the front. Recliner and nightstand. And then over here we have more collectibles. These are the cloth teak Santas. We had these, it's been a little while, but they are so cute and all of their faces are just precious and they're all doing different things. You know, this is a baker, there's a golfer, there's, you know, a toy maker, all different things that they're doing. A skier. These are really collectible. And then up here, we have lots of little wildlife collectible figurines. This tall dresser behind me. And then on the other side of the bed is this really nice curio with, it looks like burl wood on the outside. So again, mirrored in the back. Pretty. Remember I told y'all we had the boxes? There's a lot of the boxes. Some pillows. We've got some linens and stuff in this closet and lots of books. And then in this closet, we have a few purses and some blankets and some more linens. There's some Vera Bradley in here. Some bathroom items. These are notable though. Some of these little containers and this vintage tray with the hairbrush and mirror. A lot of people collect those too. All right, let's head upstairs. As we head up the stairs, I want to point out these beautiful botanical art pieces. I'll turn around and show them to you. So they're all up the stairs and they're really pretty. And then behind me, we have a full-size pool table. It actually has, see underneath the mats and the covers, so the felt has been protected, which is why it's in such great shape. This is an Olhausen. But you can see the felt is perfect. There are pool cues. And then we have lots of records, vinyls. I see some Elvis and some George Strait. Oh yeah, Oak Ridge Boys. Well, there's some good ones in here. Elton John. Yeah, there's some good ones in here you want to flip through for sure. There's some bar items. Some electronics, CD changer, and oh my goodness, look at all the CDs. We have some Christmas decorations. There's some fall and Thanksgiving. These are the Anna Lee dolls. This, I think, holds the billiard balls. And then here is a little scorekeeper card. A golf bronze statue and a chair and ottoman. Some nesting tables. As we go down the hallway, first bedroom here, we have a king size wrought iron bed, little trunk and a lounger, then a dresser. Okay, next bedroom. This is going to be a queen size. I'm going to turn around and show you over here. You can see the chair first, and I'll turn around and you can see the bed. Nightstand and dresser. There is, looks like we're still working on this, but there is some cotton quilting fabrics in here. Some other arts and crafts items. I'll probably finish up tomorrow. Look at that vintage wedding dress. A table. And then a dresser with a mirror. Off here to the side in the bathroom, there's lots of seashells. Seashell collection. Next bedroom, we have a white wrought iron bed. This one is a full size, just the headboard, no footboard. We have a set of matching chairs and then some linens. And this is like a little bonus attic room. It's got a baby changing table. And then this cute little day bed back here. This will be great in a little girl's room. And then lastly, we have this little bonus patio upstairs with some cute wicker furniture, white wicker furniture. So we have a sofa, a couch, a rocker, and a chair and ottoman, little side table, TV. This has all been kept inside, so it's in really great condition. And then it looks like we're still working on the craft area here. But there is a Bernina serger. These are awesome. Years and years I just had a sewing machine, and I remember when I bought a serger, it was like my life changed. It was amazing. Have some organizational shelves, and then also some quilting templates, some thread holders, another wicker piece. Oh, that's a cute little terrarium. Lots of patterns and fabrics and books and wrapping paper and some crafty stuff. So again, this is one of 2 sales that we have in Bentwater this weekend. So make your appointments and you can get into both houses Friday and Saturday, 9 to 2.